For this video, we're going to be finding a fraction of a number. You are going to be using your multiplication and division knowledge to help you out. So we're going to find 1/3 of 81. So to find a fraction of a number, if the numerator is at the top is a 1, then there's only one step you need to do. So we're going to do 81 divided by 3. This will find us 1/3 of 81. So to do this, I'm going to use the bus stop method. So 81 divided by 3. How many 3's go into 8? The answer is 2, remainder 2. How many 3's go into 21? The answer is 7. So 1/3 of 81 is 27. So if you have been given the question, find 1/4 of 232, what's the best way to go about it? So you're actually going to start off by doing 232 divided by 4. So always do the number divided by the denominator. So this is going to find us 1/4. So 232 divided by 4. How many 4's go into 2? That is 0. Carry the 2 across. How many 4's go into 23? That is going to be 5, remainder 3. And how many 4's go into 32? There is going to be 8 and none left over. So the answer to 1/4 of 232 is 58. So all you have to do is do the whole number divided by the denominator. This method only works if the numerator is a 1. If the numerator, so the number at the top, is a different number, then you have got one more step you need to do. So to complete this, there are 2 steps that need to be done. You need to take the number and divide it by the denominator, and then whatever the answer is, you multiply by the numerator. So to start off with, I'm going to do 75 divided by 5. So how many 5's go into 7? That is 1, remainder 2. How many 5's go into 25? That is 5. So step 1, we know that 1/5 of 75 is 15. For step 2, we need to take the answer 15 and we need to multiply it by 4. So 15 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2. 1 times 4 is 4, add 2 is going to be 6. So 4/5 of 75 is 60. So to complete this calculation, there are going to be 2 steps. You start by dividing by the denominator and then you multiply by the numerator. So divide by the bottom and then multiply by the top. So start off with 513 divided by 3. So begin with how many 3's go into 5? The answer is 1, remainder 2. How many 3's go into 21? The answer is 7. And how many 3's go into 3? The answer is 1. So at the moment, we've only found 1/3 of 513, and we needed to find 2/3. So the next step is we're going to take the answer and we're going to multiply it by the numerator, which is the top number. So we're going to do 171 multiplied by 2. So to begin with, 1 times 2 is 2. 7 times 2 is 14, so 4 at the bottom, carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So the answer to 2/3 of 513 is 342.